Hey guys, welcome to our Tech for Our Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in today's video I have come with one more hiring update that is coming for NSC, that is stand for National Seed Corporation, and it's a government job. And currently company hiring for fresher experienced candidate both, and any degree from any branch candidate eligible for this hiring. And company is paying you approximate 12 LP salary. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will explain you each and everything like what is selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required, and company has also announced your exam date, and I will tell you what is the exam date. And check out the other hiring also because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing like InnoFight, JDS, ZeoTap, Recruit CRM, Amazon. So do check out. Now let's discuss about the NSC hiring. And this is a complete PDF, and PDF is too long, but don't worry, I have highlighted all the important points for you, so it will save your time. I have done all the effort. So for that you can just like this video and subscribe this channel so you will get daily job hiring update. Let's further discuss about NSC hiring. So last date for the application is 30th of November. So make sure you apply for 30th of November. Talking about the next point. So as I mentioned, currently company hiring for multiple position and total job role is 15, for which currently company looking to hire. And out of 15 role, some is for experienced candidate and some is for fresher candidate. And in this video, I will mainly focus on fresher hiring. And for other job roles, I will give you a basic overview, so you will get some idea. And out of these 15 roles, the 10th number position is most important because for this role, any degree from any branch candidate eligible for this hiring. And apart from this, company has also bifurcated the job role on the basis of branch, so you can apply according to your branch also. Now let's discuss about each and every role one by one. So the first role is Deputy General Manager, and for this role, 10-year experience is required. Next is Assistant Manager, and for this role there is a minimum 2-year experience is required. And the next is Management Trainee HR, and for this position fresher eligible for this hiring, but you must have degree in HR management or MBA, or you have done diploma in personal management, industry relation or labor, then only you are eligible for this role. And the next role is Management Trainee, and for this role MSc candidate eligible for this hiring, but you have at least 50% marks, and along with this you must have knowledge about the MS Office, which is a compulsory, company has already mentioned. And the next role is Management Trainee, and for this role if you have done BE BTech from electrical branch, electronic branch, then you are eligible for this hiring. Next role is Senior HR, and for this role if you have done MBA or LLB or MSW or MA, then you are eligible for this hiring. Next role is Trainee Agriculture, and for this role if you have done BSc in Agriculture, then you are eligible for this hiring. Next is again for Trainee, this is also for the BSc candidate. And the next and most important role is Trainee HR, and for this role if you have done graduation in any degree like BE BTech, BCA, BSc, BCom, BA, MA, any degree from any branch, you are eligible for this hiring, but you must have at least 60% marks in your education. And apart from marks, you must have knowledge about MS Office, which is the mandatory. And for this role, your typing skill also matter. Company has mentioned computer typing with speed of 30 words per minute in English. So if you have this skill, you can apply for this role. Talking about the next role, which is again for trainee position, and if you have done BCom, then you are eligible for this role, or you have done engineering in mechanical branch, agriculture branch, then also you are eligible for this hiring. This is for agriculture and mechanical branch. Next is for ITI role. So if you have done ITI certification, then also you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply for this role. So this is all about the job role. Now talking about the salary package. So company has mentioned, so if you are applying for management trainee role, then you will get 57,920 rupees, which is a base pay, and apart from this you will get HRA, DA and other allowance also, which will combine and make a 12 LP salary. And this is a very good amount, and the job is too good. It's a full-time government job. Must apply for this hiring if you are eligible. Now talking about the other points. So for this role there is the age criteria also, and the maximum age is 27 years for the management trainee role, but you can avail reservation also according to your caste, like 5 year, 3 year, 10 year. Talking about the selection procedure, so company has mentioned there will be a computer based test, which is a stage 1, and if you clear this stage 1, then there will be an interview, and if you clear the interview and document verification, then you will get a job, which is a stage 3. So this is a complete process. Talking about selection procedure and exam pattern, so as I mentioned, there will be a computer based test, and the duration for this exam is 90 minutes, and exam will contain 100 questions, and exam will be in two parts, part A and part B. Part A consists of 70 questions, which will be based on subject knowledge in respective your discipline on post, So whatever branch you have, you will get question in exam according to your branch. And part 2 will consist of FT, reasoning, current affair question, and minimum qualifying marks is 35. Company has already mentioned. And exam has negative marking also for 0.25 marks. So this is all about the pattern of exam. Now the most important point is, if you are applying for this job role, then you have to pay some fees. But this fee is not applicable for all the candidates. Company has mentioned if you are belonging for category EWS, OBC or ex-serviceman, then only you have to pay 500 rupees fee. But if you are belonging for SC, ST or PWD, then it is not applicable for you. You can apply free of cost. And the exam date is 22 December. Company has mentioned your stage 1 will be on 22 December. So this is all about this hiring. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply, I have attached apply link in video description. Just click on the apply link, and once you click on apply link, then this type of page will appear, and you have to just slide down. In this table, first advertisement is for NSC hiring. You have to just click here to apply online, and you have to sign up on NSC website and fill all the required details. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram, Instagram or WhatsApp. I will definitely help you. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.